Hey beautiful people, welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make this delicious chicken drumsticks. Let's move right straight to the ingredients. So here we have the chicken we'll be using. Here we have salt, garlic, ginger, celery blended with bell pepper blended together. Here we have black pepper, we have white pepper, chopped onion, basil leaf, we have complete seasoning, we have beef bouillon. So I will start first by peeling off the skin from the chicken. I don't like the skin because it has a lot of cholesterol. So I always take off the peel of the skin before I cook the chicken. With this, it's really easy to peel off the skin from the drumstick. So guys, the skin has been taken off. So at this moment I'll go ahead and use white vinegar to wash my chicken drumstick. I'll pour a good quantity of vinegar. I'll go ahead with my hands and make sure it's well washed. Next I'll use hot water directly from the tap to rinse my drumsticks. I'll be rinsing this twice. After rinsing this the second time, I'll just put it in the colander to make sure the water drains out. In the bowl here, I have my drumstick. I'll go ahead and add my seasoning, the white pepper, the black pepper, the blended spice, the basil leaves, complete seasoning, chopped onions, salt to taste, and beef bouillon to taste. After which I'll just go ahead and mix everything to marinate real good. We're gonna go ahead and mix our spice to marinate the chicken. After marinating our chicken, we're gonna cover this and let it marinate. Let it sit for 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 to 45 minutes, guys, I've aligned it up in the foil pan. You can use baking tray as well. Now I'll be baking this in the oven on 350 degrees for 30 minutes, halfway cooked, and I'm gonna use the foil paper to cover this and put in the oven. Guys, our chicken is halfway cooked right now, so I took off the foil paper. At this moment, I'm just gonna put it back in the oven without covering it. Our chicken is all done, guys. See how delicious it looks. Go try this method and you will definitely love it. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Thank you.